Yeah, that's rain you're hearing on day 59. Kind of expecting this. Move my saw to this side. This is underneath a bit of a deck as it's raining out front. I really only got to cut this one piece across the top and just do a couple of little notches with the jigsaw and do these couple down here. So that's really the only piece that I need the chop saw for. Well, anyway, that's it. So anyway, it's going to be a day inside here. Don't have a lot of cutting to do, but just enough for me to go outside in this icky weather. So anyway, let's get cutting. I've got the upper piece done and the two lower pieces for the soffit, and they look pretty good. Hello, day 59, part 2. Yesterday it seemed like everything I touched just imploded, so I quit while I was ahead, and all I got done yesterday was just the top trim and these couple of trims here. Now I did do some, let's say, administrative stuff. I went through my bucket of receipts on the camper, as well as look through my inventory of stuff to see what I had duplicates of, what I could return, what I still need more of, that sort of thing. So it was semi-productive. Today now I'm going to pre-drill all the weight, all the vinyl, and maybe a couple of pieces of the aluminum, as well as trim these pieces up right here. This is a sample of the corner trim, and we're going to be using these 1" by number 6 stainless steel flathead screws. So we're going to be drilling countersink holes in this, and I have two bits. This one from Wolfcraft here, and I have this one, I'm not quite sure what it is, and I did have another one here in a package and everything, but it just disappeared. So I'm just going to do a test on this little piece right here to see which makes a better hole, because I'm not going to do much of a countersink, maybe 1/8 of an inch, something so that I can get a little bit of caulking over the top when I'm done. Drilled a couple of holes with the wolf tooth and this other one. The wolf tooth was kind of messy. I actually chewed up and spit out more vinyl than necessary. The other one made a nice tidy hole, and I went and drilled a couple more holes on the other side of this test block and actually popped in a screw. And I really only have to just barely hit the surface on this with this other bit in order to be able to sink it down, because the screw does actually pull into the vinyl. So I think this one's the winner. Before I start actually drilling all that vinyl, I'm going to cut these corners, because I want to make sure that I got a clear mind and clear eyes and all that. Well, I think I'm going to have to remove some of that ACM there, because that'll probably mung up my jigsaw blade, because I should be able to make a nice good cut right along there once I clear out that ACM. Sorry, that butyl tape. Took a while, but it's done. Now that I've got the aluminum corners done, it's on to the vinyl corners. So we got one marked where we need it drilled, and so I'm going to match them up and just, I'll show you what I'm going to do just now. So that's roughly right there. center like that. Next spot. Right there. And so on. Now about another 60 more of those to drill. End of day 59, this time a real ending. I've got all the holes drilled in all the white vinyl. Got these trimmed off, both sides on the front. And these up on the back. And I've just got the vinyl sort of just stuck back in place. So the next thing that we're going to do is just to install the vinyl, and then I have to drill the aluminum and install the aluminum. So that's it for day 59. Hope you're enjoying this series, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.